Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You've signed in and opened a video. Now start changing quality. On desktop, move the cursor and click the gear icon. On mobile, tap the video, then the three dots or the settings icon. Once you've opened the quality menu, you'll see auto and several resolutions. Make sure you understand auto uses your network speed. Changing it forces a fixed resolution. This first step gets you into the exact controls so you can pick a consistent viewing experience. Now pick the resolution you want. Click or tap quality and choose 1080p, 720p, 480p, or lower depending on your needs. On mobile, you may need advanced or playback settings to lock a resolution for that session or across Wi-Fi and cellular. Once done, the player will reload at the selected size. This prevents automatic downshifts when bandwidth fluctuates. Make sure to match resolution to your screen and internet speed to avoid wasting data or creating unnecessary buffering. Finish by setting preferences so you don't repeat steps. In the YouTube app, open Settings Video Quality Preferences and choose defaults for Wi-Fi and mobile data. On desktop, rely on manual selection each session or use browser extensions cautiously. If quality doesn't change or reverts to auto, clear cache, update the app or browser, and restart. If problems persist, test on another network or device to determine whether the issue is your connection or the player. This isolates the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.